Hello. Now, I got something special for you guys. It's kind of like Pokemon cards, but instead, it's NBA. And I know I got some sports fans out there, okay? Now, I'm not a big NBA guy myself, but I know that this is where the money's at right now, okay? NBA Top Shot cards are an online it's like an online marketplace where you share your cards, which are called moments of NBA players doing like one of their best moments in a game or something, and they're valued common, rare, legendary, you know? And there's only a limited amount of packs. So I got five Cool Cat of the first drop of the Cool Cat packs. So I'm going to open them today, right now. Okay, so I got five of them. Pack number one. All right, and also, so as you can see, there's this ID number out of 12,000. The lower the ID number, the more valuable it is as well. We got okay, we got a Tyler Harrow. That's a very good card. It's only a limited amount too. So that's the other thing. That's only a limited amount of some cards. Tyler Harrow, great card. Stanley Johnson, bad number, not too great. Who do we get on? Dennis Schroeder. Okay, a 944. That's good. That's pretty good. Devin Booker, the Cool Cats Series 2. Number 4,202 out of 5,000. Not amazing, but still valuable. Still very valuable. And the thing is that there's these challenges where if you collect certain moments, you unlock a super like limited edition card that nobody else can get. So I'm gonna open up the next pack now. There's only 25,000 of these, no, 2,500 of these packs, and I got five of them. So it's gonna take a second. Somebody called me during the video. Sorry. There was an error opening up the pack. So now we're going. Okay. First one. Jeremy Grant. Dunk. Oh, man. That was a slam and a half, man. He just... Golden State really let him just walk in like that. Okay, that's a pretty good Ben Simmons. That's a pretty good Ben Simmons right there. A 1,000 Ben Simmons. All right. Pascal Siakam, I think. Oh, little layup. Little layup right there. Boom. Beautiful. Okay, this is a 7,000. This is gonna be bad. Bruno Fernando on the Atlanta Hawks. All right, something good. A 790. A 790. Oh, he's jamming it. Oh, that's a good dunk. A 790. John Collins. Ooh. Ooh. Next one, please. Some good packs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A 784 Fred Van Fleet 784. Ooh. A 317. A Jokic. Oh, that's very good. That's very good. Trae Young. Okay, that could have been a better Trae Young, but Tobias Harris. This is a limited edition too. This is another Cool Cats. Ooh. Brandon Clark. Yeah. 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 Get out of here. I don't want that. Alright. Got 2 more packs. Number 4. Alright, number 1. It's a DeMarcus Cousins as well. That's a bad number. Oh, just a little pull up for a little 3 right in his face. There you go. Drains it. Beautiful. I don't know. Did I get this one? Tobias Harris earlier? I don't remember. It's a good one. I think I got this one. Maybe not. I'm not sure. That's a Cool Cats though. So those are the ones that you only get from these packs. Oh. That's a good limited edition one. Very good limited edition one. I mean, it could be a better number, but still, a limited edition is always good. You can see the Celtics beat him that game, so you know what? He didn't play that great. Not that good. Another limited edition one. I'm not sure who this player is, but he had a nice little 3 right there. Isaiah Roby. Oh, his ankles. His ankles are gone. It's a 168. It's a 168. Oh. Oh. The last pack, boys. Okay. All right. This is big. I need everybody to put your hands together and pray for some good packs right now, okay? Pray to whichever thing you believe in. I believe right now, I believe in these Stacks Mesquite barbecue chips. This is what's gonna get me the big money right now. Mesquite barbecue chips, and you know what? Okay, Mesquite barbecue chips off to a bad start. That's a limited edition though. Limited edition. So it's got something going for it. I don't have this one yet. It's a Cool Cat, so that's good. So it'll help with completing the set. Donovan Mitchell. And you can also see like these are they're all recent. There's no like classic NBA moments. It's mostly just stuff that's happened within the past year right now. Like this happened a few weeks ago. I don't know who Ish Smith is. Not a great pack right now. I'm gonna be honest, not a great pack. Not. Last one, come on. Come on. Don't let me down. Who'd we pull? Josh Green. Alright, I mean. Had a little runaway with that. Nice little dunk. Alright, that was cool. So let's check my progress. Found a challenge requirement. Let's see it. So we're gonna see the lowest pull number that I got. The Isaiah Roby. What is this? We're going some maintenance. So I can't sell this right now, but I would like to see what they're going for right now. Up to $5,000. Top 100. I can make like $50 off that. Someone's selling for 100. Hold on. What? Someone bought a. What? 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 What do they know? They don't know nothing. Know nothing. $2. Oh, hold on. Let's check out the rest. Let's check out the rest. Oh, you didn't need to see that. Lowest serial number. Okay. That's a good Josh Collins. The Fred Van Vliet. A joke. That joke is nice. Joke is nice. Hold on. I want to see the Jokic. A 317 Jokic. $40 around there. Wow. Okay. I want to check out the challenges. Okay. So, these are the challenges. I have 4 out of 10 for the Cool Cats packs. So I'm missing the Derek Jones Jr. and the Rui Hachimura. Is that what his name is? I need a Jason Tatum, DeAndre Ayton, De'Aaron Fox, Donovan Mitchell. And those are all they're common. They're circulating count. Okay, so right now I have 3 limited edition ones. 2 of them I think I have that are copies of each other. I got another Ben Simmons in there too, which was nice. There's 10 days to complete it. So I want to see it by sets. I want to see the Cool Cats. So I got 2 Tobias Harris's. Or where's the? Did I open up the 5th pack? It's supposed to give me a Cool Cats card. I bought 5 of them. Oh, just oh, I do have 5. Where'd he go though? Did I not count right? um, so moments. Okay, lowest serial number. Let's go back. It's a good John Collins. Also, if you get their number for the serial number, the one on their jersey, it's even worth even more money. So, see how much because the Tyler Harrows, I know people are selling them for crazy. Yeah, look at that. $5 for a Tyler Harrow. What's mine at? People are asking $5 for these things. Wow. There's no way. Those people got ripped off. Look at that. This is what I mean. There's money in this. Let's see what the sales are. $100, $62, $50. That one's high, like mine, and it got $34. $14? My God. But you have to remember, like, there's only a certain amount of packs. They don't resell them a lot. So with more people getting interested in this, there's going to be more eyes looking for these older cards. So like I might want to hang on to these. So let's just go back and just review what I got from this. The big ones that I got. So show filters. Lowest serial number. Pulled this Roby. Pulled the Jokic. Pulled the Van Fleet. John Collins. The Schroeder. Tobias Harris. A pretty good Ben Simmons. I think I pulled him. He's limited edition too. I don't know who this is though. Did I pull? I know I had this Devin Vassell. Tobias Harris. I think I had. I didn't have this one. I had the Tobias Harris. So yeah, some pretty good pulls. I'm pretty happy with them. I think I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, leave a like because I might want to do more of these depending on if this website or like the cards get more traction, especially. So thank you for watching. I'll be back with some other videos at some point. I just wanted to do this because I bought them. I thought it would be a cool video. Because I do Pokemon cards. Might as well do these. These are actually worth way more money. So thank you.